You've got the letter bomb from Parambir Singh. You've got the letter that's been uncovered that came from Officer Rashmi Shukla. There are demands now for Anil Deshmukh to be removed as the Home Minister. The pressure appears to be building. Is the NCP only brazening this out in the face of the pressure and the facts that have come and the charges, explosive all of them, against the Home Minister of Maharashtra?
Good evening, Shiv Arurji, and thank you for having me on your show.
Good evening.
Let me tell you that the letter bomb which had exploded on Sunday, 20th of March, now the ball is in the Supreme Court, and we also eagerly await what directions are given by the Honorable Supreme Court vis-a-vis the allegations made by a former police commissioner against the sitting Home Minister of Maharashtra. Regarding the letter which was shown by Honorable Leader of the Opposition, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis ji, regarding a confidential note made by the former State Intelligence Chief Rashmi Shukla ji, regarding the operation of a lobby which was active way back from 2017 when the BJP was in power, and again in 2019-20 when the NCP, Shiv Sena and the Congress came to power. This particular group of lobbyists were there to trade positions of power to various members of the police department or whatever for some kind of a consideration. So one thing is established, that this lobby was in existence way back in 2017.
But Rashmi Shukla,
the second part, which has been wrongly, which has been misconstrued. Hang on. No. She has.
And you've called her a BJP agent already.
In 2017,
okay.
the similar lobby. In fact, let me finish. In the same lobby was operational in 2017 when the BJP was in government in Maharashtra. In fact, there is a common name which is mentioned in the letter who was operational there and now also. What I want to point out over here is the second part, in which Devendra Fadnavis ji said that this all exchange for post regard for some consideration happened. I want to fairly inform all of your viewers very officially and very authentically that whatever names of posting, the name of offices that was discussed in that list and has been put into the list as far as transfers and postings against consideration, none of them has happened. So this
Nawab Malik, the minister, also said the same thing.
By our chief spokesperson, Nawab Malik.
Okay, so you're saying
and this is in public domain.
Minister Nawab Malik said that we have that on our screen as well.
Public domain,
I understand what you're saying. Shweta Shalini, would you like to respond to that? The NCP has basically, ignored this as another step of pressure against Anil Deshmukh. At this moment, it seems like there is no pressure on him to resign, at least from within the government. The Congress hasn't made its cards shown, but the NCP and the Sena have. And now they've basically said this entire Rashmi Shukla affair is basically a BJP-controlled missile, and it has nothing to do with facts on the ground. Respond to that.
So Shiv, one thing is very clear and rightly said, that this Mahavasuli Sarkar was not only a Mahavasuli Sarkar, it was a Mahabhrasht Aghadi. In fact, they were running a complete independent ministries, and this has been recorded by our people in the assembly by giving instances of how the ministry was run completely on the racket of transfers. And now we have also produced proof. Coming to what Maheshji said, yes, this was the same set of people and lobbies that were functional in 2017. The only difference is the action that the Chief Minister took in 2017, and that's why a few people got into trials, and the trials are ongoing right now. A few people were arrested red-handed in certain five-star hotels. In this government, because these lobbies were again active, the SIT got into action, took approval from the Home Department, traced them, and what happened post that is something that we all know. The whistleblower was shunted out. Rashmi Shukla was shunted out because this entire file stayed with the ACS at that point of time, who's now the CS, stayed with the Chief Minister, was sent to the Home Minister, and No action absolutely was taken on either the lobbyist. Also to tell Mahesh ji, among the names, I didn't want to take the names, but now that you have pointed out, I don't think you've read the letter completely. I have a copy of that letter here with me. Please read the name called Sachin Patil. The name appears in the transept in August, and it clearly says that he needs to be transferred to Nashik. He gets transferred to Nashik henceforth, post that intercept. So let's understand this. It is important, Shiv, that we get into a free and fair trial.
Okay.
And